Okay, so today we've made a simple chat app where it will create a server for multiple people to join, and what they can do is they can send messages to each other, and they can come and go when they want, and it will display who's sending what message. So for here, this is how it handles the clients. Basically, it makes a dictionary over here of the list of clients or the people in the group chat, and then they will broadcast, oh, this person joined the chat, or it will broadcast that they left the chat. This is the broadcast function. Basically, whenever people send a message in the client file, it will broadcast it to all people, so everyone that's in the server will be able to see it. And then this is just establishing the server. For the client side, this just creates the interface for people to look at, so it'll be the screen that they're typing into. And then we have the prompt and the submit for the username, so we'll ask when you enter what you'd like your name to be so that it can display who's sending what messages. And then this is for sending, receiving, and displaying the messages, so whatever you type in will be sent to the server and then will be displayed to everyone else. And then we just have an exit method of you can hit quit to exit out of the chat. And that's pretty much it. So we'll just go into it real quick. So we'll go cd main. To do it, you need to run the server in the background. So for this demo, we'll be doing 3 separate terminals. One for the server, and then 2 just for the example clients that would be using it. Let me just, send that. So as you can see, it opens up the chat app, and enter your username. I'll put Bob as the first one. Now you're not going to see anything here because it's just outputting what other people are putting, what are you putting when you're actually typing in messages. But here you can see Bob has entered or has joined the chat. Now if I were to let it load, add another person, let's call him Bill. So it will also say that here, and then hold up, let me pull up. It will also say it on Bob's as well. So I'll try and put them side to side. So it just broadcasts it to everyone that was already in the chat. So even though Bob doesn't see the message that he joined the chat, he'll see for all the other people that joined after he's joined, oh, this person joined as well. And so if I say hi, it will show up on Bill's part. It will show up as hi, as well as just over here, all the messages will also be displayed on the server terminal. So you're able to see it there. But for the main interface, you'll see what other people have made. So if I reply with howdy with Bill, you'll see Bill said howdy on Bob's chat. And you can just go back and forth, and then when you decide you want to quit, you can quit, and it will display Bob has left the chat, and Bob left the chat there as well. And that's pretty much the gist of it. It's pretty simple. The main thing is just making the interface, and then making a dictionary for the different users, and then storing their messages and broadcasting to the other ones. And yeah, that's our messaging app.